Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting topic in store for educators and trainers out there. If you have ever spent countless hours crafting a syllabus, then this video is for you. I will introduce you to ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI language model that can revolutionize the way you create syllabi. So let's dive in and discover the power of AI in syllabus generation. So first thing in the prompt you will write for me syllabus of information technology infrastructure for BS IT program. Syllabus should include 16 weeks plan and map to CLOs. And next you will write it should be in tabular format. Add one more column for lab content mapped to CLOs. Next is suggest some text and reference books. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Working session.